Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
This is RBN DWDB Channel 9, a commercial TV station with 900,000 watts transmitting power, authorized on the station license number BST-0675-2028 REN, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until December 31, 2029. RBN studios are located by the RBN Complex, EDSA Corner Timog Avenue, Iloban, Quezon City, Republic of the Philippines. The RBN transmitter station is located at Barangay Kulyat, Tandang Sora, Quezon City. RBN engineering is headed by Ara O. Castaneda. RBN transmission personnel is composed of electronics engineer, electronics technician, and first-class radio telephone operators with licenses issued by the Professional Regulation Commission of the National Telecommunications Commission. Jean O. Castillo, EC number 2475. Gabriel E. Hernandez, EC number 3256. Jamie N. Montenegro, PC number 6798. Diana K. Monteliano, PC number 9675. Franklin M. Monticello, PC number 5672. Carmelita O. Dahiro, PC number 3456. Jessica O. Cantones, EC number 9765. Marsha O. Cordova, EC number 9035. Jefferson C. Olaco, EC number 6905. Jason J. Casones, EC number 5735. Angelina O. Fernandez, PC number 0854. Carlos O. Rosales, PC number 0237. Carmina O. Zueta, EC number 9874. Alessandria O. Moreno, PC number 8756. Gabby N. Amador, EC number 197. Katrina J. Bautista, PC number 7565. Juliet O. Santos, EC number 2479. Lovely A. Gutierrez, EC number 3598. RC N. Cabral, EC number 4567. Henry J. Pimentel, EC number 4599. And Angelo N. Rojas, EC number 2345. RBN is a member of the KBP or Kapisanan ng mga Broadcaster ng Pilipinas. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. This is RBN Channel 9. Now, signing on.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Mas malaking aksyon, mas malawak na pag-aantabay sa bayan. Ito ang RBN Integrated News and Current Affairs.